Hey everyone, welcome. So you've just got your new SailPoint Identity Security Cloud tenant, and you're probably wondering what's next. Well, in the next few minutes, we're going to break down a simple, high-level guide to get you up and running fast.
Okay, so let's just get right into it. When you first open up the platform, you look at the screen and, whoa, it can feel like there are a million options, buttons, and switches. The big question we all have at the start is, where do I even begin? Don't worry, we are going to make that crystal clear right now.
To make this whole process really easy to grasp, I want you to think about it like you're building a house. I mean, you can't put up the walls before you've poured the foundation, right? And you can't install the fancy smart locks before you even have doors. We're going to follow a logical, 5-step builder's journey. So, here's our blueprint for today. We'll start with that critical foundation. Then, we'll bring in the building materials, which is all your people data. After that, we'll set up the security rules, lock the doors. Then we'll activate the smart governance services. And finally, we'll talk about how to monitor your new house and plan for that future extension.
Okay, first things first, and I can't stress this enough, the foundation. Before we do anything else, before we connect a single application, we have to secure the platform itself. This is the absolute bedrock of your entire identity program.
There are 2 steps here that are completely non-negotiable. First, you have to register a time-based one-time password device, like the Authenticator app on your phone. Think of it as your personal, super secure key to the whole system. Then, right after that, you're going to add emergency access admins. These are your break glass accounts, your absolute fail-safes.
And if you're wondering why this is so critical, listen to this. The documentation itself makes it perfectly clear. If your main sign-on system goes down, or you lose connectivity for some reason, these emergency admins are your only way back in to fix things. It's a step you just cannot afford to skip. All right, with that foundation poured and totally secure, it's time to bring in the building materials. And for us, the building materials, that's your people data. This is the part where we start connecting all of your different systems into SailPoint.
Now, you've basically got 2 main ways to bring in that data. For all your cloud apps, think Workday, Salesforce, things like that, you'll use what we call SaaS connectors to plug in directly. But for those older, on-premise applications that are living behind your company firewall, you'll use a virtual appliance, or a VA, to create a really secure data tunnel.
But why are we bothering with all this connection work in the first place? Well, because right now, a single employee, let's call her Jane Doe, probably looks like a mess. She's got an account in Workday, a different one in Salesforce, another one in Active Directory. It's a tangled web that makes managing her access a total nightmare.
And this is where the whole concept of an identity becomes so incredibly powerful. SailPoint looks at that tangled mess and creates a single unified digital container for Jane. It's just one place that holds all of her different accounts and all of our access rights together.
So how does it work? Well, the platform has this really smart correlation engine. It's like a detective that scans all those scattered accounts, sees they all belong to the same person, and then links them together to create that one single authoritative identity for Jane Doe. That, right there, is the magic that makes identity security possible.
Okay, let's look at the actual playbook for this. Step 1, you define your authoritative source. This is your single source of truth, usually an HR system like Workday. From there, you create identity profiles for everyone. Next, you aggregate, which is just a fancy word for loading, all the accounts from your other connected systems. And finally, you load in the entitlements, which tells you what each person is actually allowed to do in those systems. Okay, our data is loaded. The frame of our house is officially up. Now it's time to install the locks, the alarms, and the security cameras by setting up our security rules.
And this is where you get to be in the driver's seat. You have some seriously powerful levers to pull here. You can enforce multi-factor authentication across the board. You can restrict access based on where someone is in the world. You get to define what happens if someone tries to log in with the wrong password too many times. And you control how long people stay logged in. And this is exactly what we mean by control. You get to answer these fundamental security questions for your organization. Is it 3 failed password attempts before a lockout? Is it 5, 10? You get to set the policy that makes the most sense for your company's security.
So our house is built, it's secure, and now it's time for the really cool part. Let's activate the smart home features. These are the core governance services that take all that data we just loaded and turn it into intelligent, automated action. So let's look at the heavy hitters you can turn on. We've got access request, which is like a secure shopping cart for employees to ask for new tools. There are certifications, which automatically ask managers to review and sign off on their team's access. Password management is a lifesaver for your help desk because it lets users reset their own passwords. And separation of duties? That's a super powerful engine that stops risky combos of access, like one person being able to both approve and pay an invoice.
So your house is built, the smart features are on, people are moving in. The final phase of our whole journey is all about the day-to-day maintenance and, of course, planning for the future.
And SailPoint gives you all the tools you need for this. You've got audit reports that give you a detailed history of literally everything that happens. The dashboards give you that 30,000-foot view of your program's health. And definitely don't forget about the Resource Center. It's built right into the user interface to give you guides, documentation, and support whenever you need it.
And with all of that set up and running smoothly, you can confidently take that final huge step, inviting your users. Now they have one central, simple place to go to request new access, manage their profiles, and even reset their own passwords, which empowers them to be part of keeping the company secure.
But hey, the journey doesn't stop here. As your program matures, you can expand into the platform's incredible AI capabilities, letting the system automatically discover roles, find risky access that a human might miss, and even recommend the right access for new hires on their very first day.
So let's do a super quick recap of our builder's journey. We laid a secure foundation, we brought in all the data and set up the rules of the house, and then we turned on all the intelligent services that make the whole thing work.
You officially have the blueprint. The foundation is rock solid, the framework is up, and all the tools are in your hands. So really, the only question left to ask is, what are you going to secure first?